Do you know the subjects of first year MBBS? Let's get into it. Hello everyone, my name is Fayaf.
My name is Asim.
And this is the Med Chronicle.
I'm really excited for this one. Months into nearly finishing my first year. You're in second year right now, but for me, this has been a really huge experience. Even though they're like 5.5 year course, but months into this, it's almost going to be a year for me. A few months past exam. And I couldn't just get over without actually talking to video about my the subjects of first year and how our experience were with it.
The first year forms the basis of the whole MBBS journey. It's a foundation on which you can lay any subjects, anything. First year forms the basis. It's such an important thing.
Yeah, a lot of people really tend to focus on third and fourth year subjects, but really the first year is the very essence of it. Once you kind of grasp the entire thing, everything is like easy breezy. There ain't much kind of problem when it comes to the rest of the subjects in the rest of the years.
Okay, so basically first year has 3 subjects. So first and foremost comes anatomy. Anatomy is like the gangster subject.
Yeah, the mother of all subjects, right?
Yes.
The OG of all subjects of medical courses, right? You can't go ahead without it, man.
Yeah.
It's the most important subject.
And then it's physiology. Physiology is such an important subject. Many of you may miss it or may not find it interesting, but when you get to second year, physiology is like the most important subject. And then last but not the least comes biochemistry. Biochemistry is basically a subject which lays the foundation for many things. It's not a hard subject. It's basically a simple subject, but it lays the foundation for many other things in the future.
So, coming to an okay, the OG of all subjects, right? You just can't go ahead without it. It is the most important subject, right? You have to deal with every single thing, muscle, bone, nerve, blood, veins, you name it, everything.
Not to mention cadavers.
Important, right? And the relationship you have with the other cadaver, right? Forget your family, okay? Forget your friend. Forget your girlfriend, the relationship that you have with the cadaver, right? I'm not like full on like, making out kind of this. There's like a bond between you and the cadaver, right? When you look at the cadaver, right, you see the way it's cut, right? The way it's dissected, you know that's a cadaver or not, right? You go around in the bench, right? You even if you kind of randomly put it around the bench, right? I can notice my cadaver. That's how much of a bond it is, right? You know how the way it's cut, the things that you observed in it, how does it look? It's just, you can't deny it, man. That love between you and the cadaver is something else.
Anatomy is a very physical subject or practical subject. You have to see, you have to dissect.
That's what's actually so fun about comparing the rest of the subject.
Anatomy is all about diagrams. You have a lot of diagrams. You have a lot of relations, anterior, posterior. A lot of relations, a lot of diagrams. A lot of everything. Basically, in anatomy, seeing is believing. As my lecturers used to tell me, they used to show me this is this muscle, this is that bone. It's very physical. You have to apply it. You can see it with your eyes. Such a nice subject.
And I think that's the reason why it was so enjoyable for a lot of us throughout first year, because it was very practical. You could do it hands-on. You can notice each and everything, and that's what you enjoyed. You don't see that much in biochemistry and physiology, but with anat, it's so amazing. With histology and so much more embryology, it becomes really interesting and really fun to study.
Now the second subject is physiology. Physiology, it's as very aptly said in Chaurasya, it's like anatomy is the stage and physiology is the act. Physiology shows whatever you learn in anatomy, there's a process behind everything. Physiology explains the processes which takes place in the anatomical organ, anatomical part. Physiology tells the relations, the process, the functions, everything that takes place. Okay, going into first year, you may neglect physiology. You may find it uninteresting, boring and lengthy and all sorts of things. But when you go to second year, physiology becomes the most important.
You know what physiology reminded me? He's like the stepdad that you hate when you're a teen because he married your mom, but then you'll kind of later on inside that he's a really good guy who likes to teach you something. Man, but
Okay, in the second year, physiology will become very important. So we should definitely study physiology.
yeah,
And generally speaking, physiology departments lecturers are
are really good.
okay. We'll get into that later.
They are really good. The fact is that physiology can be tough for a lot of people. Compared to anatomy, in both of our opinions, physiology was really tough. But still, if you do tend to have a lot of interest, if you do tend to, if you continue, be consistent. If you continue with your studies, be consistent with it. It becomes a lot more easier for physiology.
My friend used to tell that physiology is a tasty subject. The more you get into it, the more tasty it becomes. Like anatomy had a lot of diagrams, physiology has a lot of flowcharts. Flowcharts are very important in physiology.
Yeah. A lot of people tend to find it uninteresting, right? But it's so interesting, physiology, when you kind of start in it, right? Starting with, with the cerebral cortex, right? The brain, with the different kind of neurotransmitter release, how it affects the brain, how it affects the body. You study that, that is interesting shit. I'm not joking, right? The most interesting shit you'll ever see. You have other kind of subjects related to blood. You have so many more subjects related to how the muscle responds to different kinds of stimulus. All sorts of crazy shit when it comes to physiology.
Okay. Now, last but not the least is biochemistry. Biochemistry is a subject which deals with molecules, biomolecules, carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, a lot of stuff. Biochemistry is all about cycles, Krebs cycle. Everything is, sort of enzymes, catalysts. It is very important to know enzymes in biochemistry. The physical processes that we are dealing with. Everything has a biochemical basis for it. Simple digestion and absorption, simple, metabolism, glucogenesis, gluconeogenesis, everything, there is biochemistry related to it. If you go deep into anything, there's always biochemistry into it. As my sir told me, biochemistry forms the basis for everything.
In my opinion, like biochemistry is like the grandma who always tends to give you and bunny to buy snacks, because it's the most nicest subject, right? It's very easy to study, and by heart, the lectures by default tend to be really nice. Man, you just love biochemistry, man. The overall subject of it, okay, everything about it, it's just so amazing. It's very easy to kind of finish. You don't have to put too much time in it. Everything tends to be easy. The practicals are pretty easy too. It's sweetness, right? You have the biochemistry exam, right? Right after a nat physio, the happiness that you get, right? The happiness, because so easy to finish. Everything is just easy peasy, man. Everything. Once you come to biochem, it's very easy to go through.
Biochemistry, anatomy had the diagrams, physiology had flowcharts, and biochemistry has cycles. Everything, enzymes and all that. Biochemistry also deals with vitamins, minerals, and everything like that. So basically, this
like
is
different fatty acids.
fatty acids. Okay, this is most of the. This is overall. This is all about the subject.
Yeah.
If you want to know about the books and all, we are going to release a video on the books very soon.
Yeah. And please drop down comments and do suggest what you want for our next videos. We really want to know what you guys are interested in, what kind of tips that you want, or advice, or any kind of topics in general that you do want to discuss. We are always there, hearing your suggestions, right? Because you subscribing will definitely help us out. It'll help our channel a lot. It'll help us grow the channel a lot, which means you showing that love and support really means a lot to us.
And thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. And bye bye.